start recording emergency video.
We are crossing the border between Poland and Germany on Nissan River. We just came to the Germany. Oh, sorry. Hello.
Kontrolle, den Ausweis bitte, Fahrzeugschein, Führerschein. Komplett Papiere.
Vielen.
Okay, vielen Dank. Ciao.
Vielen Dank. Ciao.
Hello, my name is Kamil Konrad Rudnik. I share my passion for remote traveling, exploring and mountaineering. I invite you to join me and together uncover wonders of our planet.
So we entered, but there was a German border patrol, but somehow they didn't ask about this weird certificates. They just ask about ID and vehicle registration, etc. So that's fine, fantastic. We are in Germany now.
Guten Morgen and welcome to another episode of KRUZIK4X4 Tripology adventure. This trip will be different from you've seen so far because I'm switching my paradigm. We're not traveling east, but we're traveling west for the first time, and we're visiting Germany. So stay with me and have a good time. First night in Germany I spent in close to the town Nieski on a parking lot near the main road, so you can hear the voices from upcoming traffic. I'll show you how I prepared my vehicle for this Germany trip. It's different than usual, so almost nothing on the roof because there's a lot of highway travel, so I wanted to keep it as safe as possible, so nothing on the roof, so I can travel fast without concern that I may lose something on the road. That's my main bag and my evacuation bag. There is in the vehicle on me I have 230 liters of spare diesel fuel in jerry cans, 60 in the roof. There is the first fuel that will be put into the main tank. Then I have other jerry cans under the bed. I have bed here where I sleep. Then I have fridge here, more jerry cans with fuel, and rucksack for mountaineering. Then here we have water, kitchen stuff, kitchen utensils, my food. Most of my food is here. Some more water like juice and drinking water. And here I have camping equipment like tents, poles, etc. And there is one more box there with recovery and spare parts. And of course I have some tools to repair the vehicle. That's all. Nice, clean and tidy. And the chair is here. That's how I prepare the vehicle. I tested similar setup to what I have used to have in Toyota Land Cruiser. So we are ready for new challenge, like staying in Germany, where everything is in order, has its place. Like yesterday, I thought, well, maybe I will manage to cross the border unnoticed. That was my goal. So no one sees me, no one asks me any questions, where I go, what I'm from, and etc. etc. But no. Even at night, they patrol the border and they stopped me, checked all the documents, all the papers, all verified me and let me in. So that's a solid state. It's not funny. It's they are serious. So I need to have it in mind and stick most of the time with the rules and regulations, and only break them when I really decide to pay the consequences.
8 o'clock in the morning and we hit the road again. We're back in business.
Zawróć, jeśli to możliwe.
Direction German Alps, Berghof. We are approaching tunnel.
It's 12:30. Still 260 kilometers to our today's destination. Let's make some breakfast. Scrambled eggs, yogurt, and we need to dig deeper. Okay, that's all I want. And the juice. Of course. Okay, that's what we have. Handel Tyrol, Karrespeck, whatever it is, we will need some. Meat with fat. Smells fantastic.
So for breakfast we have scrambled eggs with good quality meat, cold juice and yogurt, Fantasia, blackberry yogurt. Good stuff. Kierowca, rajdowca, arystokrata szos pojechał.
Skręć w lewo.
Beautiful landscape already in Germany. German villages, little hills or mountains already. It's fantastic weather, 23 degrees Celsius. Beautiful time. And we are very close, 50 kilometers to go. We are not far away from our destination and I decided to stop and just have a shower here in a nice place.